Hello everyone, how are you today? Primary 5. We will complete Primary 5 Math first term, Mr. Abanobu's you. All of you focus because we have important lesson. Lesson number 9 is about dividing by a decimal. How we can divide by a decimal number. Okay? To divide by a decimal, we must write the divisor as a whole number. Okay? To divide any number by a decimal number, we must write the divisor, okay, after division as a whole number. This is very, very important. Before you divide by a decimal number, you must write the divisor as a whole number. Okay? Divisor must be a whole number. But how we can do this? How we can convert divisor to be a whole number? By multiplying the divisor and the dividend. If you multiply divisor, you must multiply dividend by 10 or 100 or 1000 according to the place of the decimal. Again, before you divide by a decimal number, we must write the divisor as a whole number. But how we can do this? By multiplying the divisor and the dividend by 10 and 100 or 1000 according to the place of the decimal. Okay, if you can't understand, for example, 3.2 divided by 0.4. Divisor must be a whole number. This divisor must be a whole number. So we will multiply by what? To get out of decimal point. Decimal point in here after how many digits? After 1. So we will multiply by 10. Okay, so we will multiply by 10. Why 10? Because decimal point after 1 digit. In divisor, we will multiply the divisor, so we will multiply dividend. Okay, so in here, we will multiply divisor and dividend by 10. If we multiply 0.4 by 10, decimal point move to the right 1 digit, and in here decimal point move to the right 1 digit. So become 32 divided by 4 without decimal point. 32 divided by 4 equal what? 4 multiply what? Equal 32. Excellent. Equal 8. Is this easy? So when we divide by decimal number, we must write the divisor as a whole number. This is very, very important. How we can do this? By multiplying divisor and dividend by 10 or 100 or 1000 according to place. If decimal point in divisor after 1 digit, multiply by 10. If decimal point in divisor after 2 digits, multiply by 100. If decimal point after 3 digits, multiply by 1000. Do you understand it well? Okay. Exercise number 1. Find the quotient of each of the following. We want to find the quotient of each of the following. Letter S, 0.8 divided by 0.2. At first, we can divide now? No. At first, divisor must be a whole number. 0.2 must be 2 only. So we will multiply by what? Super, by 10, because decimal point after 1 digit. So we will multiply divisor and dividend by 10. So in here decimal point move to the right 1 digit, and in here decimal point move to the right 1 digit. Become 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal what? Yes, well done, equal 4. Is this easy? Okay. Letter T. 4.2 divided by 0.06. We can divide? No. At first, divisor must be a whole number. But in here, decimal point after how many digits? Super, 2 digits from the right to the left. So we will multiply divisor and dividend by, excellent, 100. So we will multiply it by 100. 4.2 multiply 100. Decimal point move to the right 2 digits. 1 digit and what? Excellent, but 0. So equal 420 divided by. If we multiply 0.06 by 100, become what? Become 6. decimal point move to the right 2 digits. 420 divided by 6. At first we put 0, and 42 divided by 6 equal what? Yes, equal 7. So the result 70. Is this easy? Okay, letter U. 2.67 divided by 1.2. In here, divisor must be a whole number. So we will multiply by, excellent, by 10 to get out of decimal point. And in here, multiply by 10, decimal point move 1 digit. So equal 26.7 divided by 12. Okay, but 26.7 divided by 12 equal what? Who can say? We don't know. So we will use what? Long division. We will draw a draft like it, and we will write 26.7 divided by 12. But divisor whole number? Yes. So we can divide now. At first, start from the left. 2 can divide by 12? No. So we put 0 and take 26. 26 can divide by 12? Yes. Equal what? Super. Try by 2. 2 multiply 12 equal 24. And 24 near to 26. So we will take 2. We will write 2 in here and write 24 and super subtract. 6 minus 4 equal what? Super 2. 2 minus 2 equal what? 0. Okay. 2 can divide by 12? No, because 2 less than 12. So in here we will put down 7. Okay, write point 7. And when we put down number after decimal point go up quickly. We write decimal point in here. Okay, because we use number after decimal point. Okay, 27 divided by 12 equal what? Super 2 again. Because if we try by 3 multiply 12 equals 36, and 36 greater than 27. So we will take 2 again and write in here 24 and subtract. 7 minus 4 equal what? Super 3. And the point 2 minus 2 equal 0 and 0. Okay, 3 can divide by 12? No, can't be. Put down what? We put down 7. So we don't have any number. Put in here, because we have decimal point, we can put 0 in here. Because 0 in here, in this place, in hundreds, has no value. We know that 0.3 equal 0.30 equal 0.300, all of it equal. So we can put 0. 30 divided by 12 equal what? Who can say? Super 2 again, because equal 24. So we will write 2 and write in here 24 and subtract. 0 minus 4 can't be. 0 become 10, and the 1 from 3 become 2. 10 minus 4 equal what? Super 6. 2 minus 2 0.00. Okay, 6 can divide by 12? No. We can put? Excellent. We can put 0. So equal 60. 60 can divide by 12? Who can say? Super 5. 5 by 12, we keep it equal what? 60. So we will take it and write 5 as a quotient and write 60 in here. 60 minus 60 equal what? 0.0000. So we finished. So the result equal 2.225. So the result in here 2.225. This is the quotient of the problem. Is this easy? You understand it well? You can put 0 after decimal point. I hope all of you understand how to solve this problem. But at first, before we divide by decimal, divisor must be a whole number. Okay? Divisor must be a whole number. In here, choose the correct answer. Letter G, 48.24 divided by 1.2 equal what? 4.2 or 40.2 or 14.0 or 142. Okay, before we division, divisor must be a whole number. Excellent. So 1.2 must be a whole number. So we will multiply dividend and divisor by what? Who can say? Excellent, by 10. So we will multiply by 10, decimal point to go, and in here multiply by 10, decimal point become after 2. Okay, and we will draw a draft like it and write in here 482.4 divided by 12. Divisor whole number? Yes, so you can divide it by. Okay, start from left. 4 can divide by 12? No, can't be. So we put 0 and take 48. 48 can divide by 12? Yes, super. Equal what? Excellent, 4. 4 by 12 equal 48. 4 by 2 equal 8 and 4 by 1 equal 4. So we will take 4, write 4 in here as a quotient and write 48 and super subtract. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Put down 2. Okay, 2 can divide by 12? No, can't be, because 2 is smaller than 12. We can't put down any number before we put 0 in the quotient. Okay, we put down 2. You can put down 1 only. Okay, the first time only without put 0. But if you want to put down again, you must put 0 in the quotient at first. Okay, so we put 0 and now we can put 0.4 and we use a number after decimal point, so we will put point in here. Okay, you understand it? Okay, 24 divided by 12, super, equal to 2 multiply 12 equal 24. So we will write 2 in here as a quotient and write in here 2.4 and subtract, so equal 0.000. So the quotient equal super 40.2. So we will choose it. Don't forget to put 0 if you put down a number and can't be, you can't put down again without put 0. You understand it well? And you can make sure with your calculator. Okay, number 2, 87.5 divided by 8.75. Okay, divisor must be a whole number before you start. So we will multiply divisor and dividend by, who can say, super 100, because decimal point after 2 digits in divisor. 1, 2, goodbye. In here 1 and put super 0. We will draw draft. So equal 8,750 divided by 875. In here without long division, this equal what? Super, equal 10. But we will use long division. 875 divided by 875, super 1. So we write 875 and subtract 0, 0, 0. Okay, we put down 0? No. 0 in here, go up. So the result will be 10. So we choose 10. Okay, and before we start long division, divisor must be a whole number if you divide by a decimal point. Okay? Okay. In here, real life problem. A train covered 221.65 kilometers in 2.75 hours. Calculate the distance it covered in 1 hour. Okay, this train covered 221.65 kilometers in 2.75 hours. How we can find the distance in 1 hour. Super, we will use long division. But before you use long division, divisor must be a whole number. So we will write 221.65 divided by 2.75. This divisor must be a whole number. So we will multiply by 100. 1, 2. And in here, 1, 2. So we multiply dividend and divisor by 100 and use long division. 22,165 divided by 275. Divisor whole number? Yes, you can start now. 2 can divide by 275? No, put 0. 22 can divide by 275? No, put 0. 221 can divide by 275? No, because it less than 275. So we will take 2,216 divided by 275. We will try by what? Who can say? This is a very big number. Okay, try by 5 for example. 5 by 5 equal what? Super, 25. 5 and carry up 2. 5 by 7 equals 35. 36, 37. 7 and carry up 3. 2 by 5 equals 10. 11, 12, 13. 1,375 is still smaller than 2,216. So we will try by what? Who can say? Okay, for example, 8. 8 by 5 equal 40. 0 and carry up 4. 7 by 8 equal 56. 57, 58, 59, 60. 0 and carry up 6. 2 by 8 equals 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, it near 2,216. So we will use 8. We will write in here 8 and write in here 2,200 and subtract. 6 minus 0 equal? Super, 6. 1 minus 0 equal? 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 16 can divide by 275? No. We can put down 5. Okay. 165 can divide by 275? No, can't be. So what should we do? Mister, put 0 and put down another number, but we don't have another number. Super. We will put 0 and put point, and put in here point 0. Why we put 0 in quotient? Because we don't have a number. Because we put down one number and it can't be. So we put 0 point, and in here to put 0 we put point 0. Okay, so become 1,650 divided by 275. Yes, I can. Try by what? Try by 5 less than, so we will try by 6. 5 by 6 equal what? 30. 0 and carry up 3. 6 by 7 equal 42. 43, 44, 45. 5 and carry up 4. 2 by 6 equal 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, the same number, 1,650. So we will take 6 in here and write 1,650 and subtract. So equal 0.00000. So the quotient equal what? 80.6. The quotient 80.6 in 1 hour. Do you understand it well? Okay. Thank you for listening and goodbye.